How you guys been doing today anyway?
Yeah, it's been a good day, I think, so far.
It has been really good. It's nice to meet so many like-minded people.
Yeah, some really good banter. Lots of nice people, lovely families.
And lots of contact with other businesses, which is always nice.
It's the first time we've been. Joe. Joe's been doing this for a long time, hasn't he?
Yeah.
First time I've been to anything like this.
It's my first time too. You've been a couple of times, haven't you?
Yeah, but normally as a customer. Okay, so we use this just as you would a normal ferro rod, throws a nice shower of sparks. Hi there, I'm Kai, I'm from Rika Bushcraft. We're based out in Nottinghamshire, in Ravenshead. We're here at Bushcraft Show 2022, down supporting the women in bushcraft on their stand and peddling our wares. So we've got a range of things from our balms that we make out of weeds to spoons that we carve and blanks that we sell.
Where can we find you at?
Ravenshead in Nottinghamshire.